What's up, everyone? So, today I'm here to show you a simple project. I can call it a mini project that I did during this lockdown period. So, I call this project as M Drive. M stands for my name, Muhitesh, and I call it Drive because it can be used for online storage purpose. Uh, we can call it a simpler version of Google Drive. So, as the name suggests, it's simple, fast, and secure. So, why it's simple? Because it's very simple because you can upload it with ease and like a layman can also use this if it's given to him. Okay, and we call it fast because it works really fast and secure because we like use encryption in the backend. So let's show you the project, and so let's log in first. So here we got a login page, and let's log in. So here's my login ID. So I'm logging in. As we log in, we got a pop-up message that login was successful, and let's close this message. And here is all the files that we can see after logging in. Okay, so this is our dashboard page. Okay, so we can upload files from clicking the plus icon over here, and we can choose one of the files to upload, and say if you want to upload a document, and say if you want to upload a PDF file, and we can click on the upload button, and it's got successfully uploaded. Now when we go to dashboard, we can see the two of the files over here. One of them was there previously, but we uploaded a new file over here called dppdf dot extension with PDF file. So what is the basic functionality is we can download it and we can delete it. That is the common functionality that we see. But the unique functionality that I implemented is we can create a sharing link out of that. So if we get a sharing link, we get a sharing link. Okay. Now if I open a new Encounter window and we click on this link, so we see that the file gets downloaded. But if we turn off the sharing link and then I paste the link again, we can see that a 404 message was found. So this is a unique functionality that I implemented. So signing off. Thank you.